Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to bring back your Windows search bar in taskbar in Windows 11. So you can see here there is start menu and there is no search bars. Okay, so how to bring your search bar? It is very simple. Just right click, then go to taskbar settings, and the first option is search. And you can see here it is currently hide. So you can click there and you can search. Uh, you can see here this is search icon only, search icon and label and search box. I preferred search box, so I'm clicking this one. Okay, and you can see here our search is back. So in this way you can simply bring back your Windows search to your taskbar. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if we need any kind of Android or iPhone or PC or Mac tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replace as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.